Etnyre also manufactures street flushers. Street flushers, as the name implies, are used primarily to clean city streets. The street flusher has a tank mounted on a truck chassis and a hydrostatically driven water pump, which pumps water to a series of spray nozzles, which spray water out onto the street and move debris to the side of the road. The flushers are built with typical tank sizes ranging from 1,900 gallons to 3,500 gallons. A flusher can also be equipped with a connection to allow it to be used as a water tanker for fighting fires. Flushers can also be equipped with rear spray nozzles for sprinkling water onto dirt roads for dust control or onto dirt racetracks to add moisture for working the surface. The flusher uses either a diesel engine-driven water pump or a hydrostatic pump to drive a fixed hydrostatic motor which is coupled to the water pump. This results in a constant water flow through the nozzles. This, in turn, gives a constant spray pattern onto the street. The flusher can also be equipped with a rear 10-inch dump valve for use with rural fire trucks utilizing a portable tank.